whispers of amber and gold. They sway, a squirrel darts through the brittle maze. The world's on fire in the softest way. One fall day, it all feels right. The sky burns low, the winds take flight. One fall day, I hear it call, the quiet scream of trees that fall. Crunched beneath my boots, a rhythm true. Pumpkin skies melting into navy blue. A scarf hugs my neck like a lover's plea. The smell of cider setting my soul free. It's not the end, it's not the start, it's just the beat of nature's heart. One fall day, it all feels right. The sky burns low, the winds take flight. One fall day, I hear it call, the quiet scream of trees that fall. And when the cold comes creeping in, the frost will paint where warmth has been. But for now,